Okay, hello guys. Welcome back to my vlog. And for this day 58, right? So there's most of the us guys know our vlog is just for 100 challenge. So I think we have half of the way here. Uh, yeah, I think half plus, right? Because we have 55. So the result I just need like 42 day or ngay for this vlog. Uh, plus this plus with this vlog. And so yeah, I just say that I was have a little nervous here because my friend said that is in our lesson now in the evening. That is a presentation about our reputation with our adab and our ibadah. Well, it was very nervous. I think how I can do that. And yeah, guys, if you ask how our class situation now is like this. Right there, guys. That's this for my vlog today, and goodbye to the next day in the next vlog.